Oh boy, we've talked a lot about GLP-1 weight loss drugs. They have proven to be the Midas touch for the likes of Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly, who manufacture them. But there is now a potential blockbuster lurking in the pipeline, and it has nothing to do with GLP-1s. Right now, here in the United States, the menopause medications market is worth about $758 million. This, according to Future Market Insights. Analysis from Future Market Insights suggests that in the next 10 years, that could balloon 5.6% to $1.3 billion, although some think that that is an understatement. And that's good news for German pharma giant Bayer. Last week, the company unveiled promising results during its late-stage trials of elinzanetant, which reduces the frequency and severity of hot flashes. The news means that the medication is one step closer to entering the marketplace. Could it be a blockbuster? Joining me now, Bayer CEO Bill Anderson, first on Fox Business. The menopause market is suddenly incredibly hot, no pun intended, but there are a lot of companies rushing to get into it. You're deep in already. Tell me about this therapy.
Yeah, well, we're really excited because we just got the results from 2 large phase 3 studies. They showed a really clear result in as quickly as 1 week on both the severity of menopause symptoms as well as the frequency, things like hot flashes, nighttime awakenings, and also a menopause-related quality of life. All of these highly significant impact. And so, yeah, we're working overtime now to get the file ready and to submit to the FDA, and we hope to bring this important medicine to women next year.
How big a market could it be, do you anticipate?
Well, it's a little hard to say, and we don't usually provide, sort of a advanced forecast, but we know that there are tens of millions of women who suffer from menopause symptoms, and about 80% of women in menopause have hot flashes, 40 to 60% have nighttime awakenings, and those are exactly the kind of symptoms that we showed a big impact on.
I would also imagine that that's underreported. A lot of people don't admit to it.
Yeah.
Supposedly. But Bayer has not gone into the GLP-1 space. Why?
Well, we think it's it's great that people have sort of brought some big breakthroughs in weight loss, but our model is really to go where there's a high unmet need. So, for example, in women's health, we've been a leader for more than 60 years. We're very proud of that. Menopause was something that was really under treated, not such great options. There was hormone therapy, but then hormone therapy was found to increase cancer risk. And so we decided to go where others weren't going, and we're really pleased. This is a novel mechanism of action. It targets sort of 2 biological targets, and it seems to have a really profound effect.
Where else besides that portion of the world and market are you guys focusing on at the moment?
Yeah, well, we have big efforts in Parkinson's disease. We have 2 different programs, one with gene therapy, one with cell therapy. Parkinson's is another field where there's been very little progress in the last decades, and we hope to make a big difference there.
Well, that could be a blockbuster.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
It's such a mystery to so many doctors and developers.
Yeah, yeah. We also have congestive heart failure. We have a major study going on right now. We look forward to results in the second half of this year. Prostate cancer is another big one. And then, of course, we're the world leader in agriculture innovation and in things like novel seeds that have biological traits built in that make them resistant to pests or able to tolerate herbicides. So a lot of things we're doing to try to bring the world better health and a better and safer food supply.
It is really good to hear about what Bayer is doing safely, as you say, hopefully. Thank you so much for joining us. Please come back.